Prinhanda, my name is Alex, and this is Henry. Not planned, I promise. Hello. And I'm a dancer with Ballet Cymru, and I've been in the company for 2 years now. And I really hope you're enjoying all of the online content that we're producing for you. And so does Henry. Now today, I want to be talking to you guys about a skill that I have that doesn't initially jump to mind when you think ballet dancer. And it's actually something that a few of the company know about me already, but I love to make cake. All about the sweet stuff. I love cooking it, I love tasting it, eating it obviously. And I thought I'd try a cool looking one that I've seen a few times, and I always think, how do they do it? So I actually looked up how to do it. Very simple idea of doing it, but when you get to it, super stressful. Took me a day to do. I like making cakes because for me the whole process of doing it is just very therapeutic, and I suppose my inner perfectionist as well. You know, you get to be as crazy and specific as you want to, and then of course eating it at the end. So, after my day of work, I thought I'd give you guys a little look into the end result. So, that's all from me for today. So, I just want to say a huge diolch yn fawr to everyone for tuning in with us so far, and we really are trying our best to support everyone we can through this difficult time. If anyone has any recipe ideas that you think we might like, I definitely invite you to let us know by featuring them on stories, tagging us, or messaging us directly. Up next, we've got a video from company dancer Andrea, who will be taking us through some strength training exercises. So all about trying to maintain and progress our physical strength in this time. I hope you all have a great day and remain to stay safe and stay positive. And I'll see you on some of our next videos. Bye!